Coral is actually a cement alternative, and the big thing about it is it uses or produces less than 25% of the CO2 that regular concrete does. And as a result, it will lower your carbon footprint. I am Sterling Yee. I'm the Director of Strategic Consulting at Oceanit. We were funded to do this for sea level rising and all the damage that sea level rising was doing for our coastal communities, as well as the fish and wildlife that were in the ocean. This new concrete allows us to build new coral structures that actually will promote the growth of new coral in the area. Coral will also help the general construction industry in building buildings, structures, including things like freeways, overhead ramps, anything that uses concrete. This will be actually very, very good for.